Hope you are watching this video in good health and happiness and free and away from coronavirus. If we are not part of the solution, then we are the biggest problem. Finally, is one of the famous landmarks in KGF, but I was surprised to see that there are only 4 lights. So I humbly request the concerned authorities to please take suitable action. Thank you. Without doubt, we KGFians are witnessing a lot of developments taking place in the city. I congratulate the Honorable MLA, the sitting Municipal Council, the bureaucrats for this initiative. I really appreciate them. The world suffers a lot, not because of violence of bad people, but it is because of silence of good people. I still remember in the year 2006, our house Mestri, he proposed us to come up with a sajja here above the shed with a view to avoid rain and sun. But we declined the proposal for the reason it was an encroachment. At that point, my mother was a sitting Kuda commissioner. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has said that man is greedy. Even if he has one mountain full of gold, he will desire for another. It really surprises me. I don't know why people, even though they have 30 by 40 side, 50 by 100 and much more, but still they long for half feet, 1 feet as an encroachment, which is not fair and ethical. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Some citizens are confused whether this demolition is development or destruction in the name of demolitions. I seriously don't know the intention behind this massive demolition, whether it is to widen the road or for encroaching the government land. However the case may be, I wish to give a gentle reminder for both. If the demolitions are taking place because of the encroachment of land, it may please be noted that in KGF there are many roads which do not have a footpath where people can walk safely and freely, because many shops and residences, they have encroached the land. However, if the encroachment of land is not harming or causing inconvenience to the public, I humbly urge the Honorable Government to please invoke Akrama Sakrama scheme. Akrama Sakrama scheme is a scheme in which the government can regularize the land of a citizen who has encroached or constructed unauthorizedly by paying a penalty. Under such scheme, even many buildings in Bangalore have also been regularized. With regard to the roads, the width of the road is based on 2 criteria. The first criteria is the population of traffic, and the second criteria is the category of roads, ranging from national highways, state highways, district roads, and also the village or rural roads. With my limited knowledge, I feel the width of this road is more than required, which is expensive and also involves a lot of maintenance. We have to move the electric poles, DESCOM is involved. There may be a lot of drainage, tunnels beneath. There may be even BSNL wires. So there are a lot of collateral damages when it comes to widening of roads where it is not required. Most of the drivers, they prefer a good road rather than a wide road. And the main reason for the roads to get deteriorated fast is because of the stagnation of water. And one simple science is the road will last long when the road is in this shape. Even if it is raining, the water will not stagnate on the road. And it is proved in an experiment that when we mix plastic along with the road, the life of the road will have 2 to 3 times life longer. So I humbly urge the authorities to please ensure that the water should not stagnate. I'm sorry to say this, in India, laws too gentle are rarely obeyed and laws too severe are rarely executed. And if you could kindly ponder on the secret behind the developed nations, for instance, Singapore, once a fishing village, there are 5 factors for Singapore's success. The first being the pragmatic leadership of the politicians, and second comes the effective public bureaucrats, also known as government officials. And with regard to the Arab world, they do not even spare a prince to be executed as a punishment. Hope the local government and the concerned authorities will take my video as a kind of constructive feedback, because it is said that Only those will grow and prosper who are open to constructive feedback. Thank you for your time.